Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of instantly sending money from GO2BANK to PayPal. Let's get started. Firstly, log into your PayPal account and head to the Wallet section. Click on the option to link a card or bank. Follow the prompts provided to link your GO2BANK account by entering the required account information. Once your GO2BANK account is successfully linked to PayPal, initiate a transfer from your GO2BANK account to your PayPal account. Log in to your GO2BANK account via their website or mobile app, navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. Choose the option to transfer funds to an external bank account or card. Select your linked PayPal account as the recipient and specify the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the transaction and complete the transfer. Once the funds appear in your PayPal account, you can utilize them for various purposes such as sending money to others, making online purchases, or withdrawing to your linked bank account if necessary. If you need to send money to someone else via PayPal, you can do so directly from your PayPal balance, which should now reflect the transferred funds from your GO2BANK account. That's it. You've successfully sent money from GO2BANK to PayPal instantly.